My name is Alexia, and today I'm gonna tell you 20 vocabulary words. So, 20 vocabulary words. So, these 20 words are categorized into three parts. First is for people, context, and ideas. So starting with the very first word, describing people, word for character and behavior. First word is meticulous. Please attentive to details. Meticulous means someone who pay close attention to very small details is called meticulous. Second word is gregarious, sociable or outing. A person who loves to interact with others, who is more sociable. To them, we can say gregarious. And third is sagacious, wise and discerning. Sagacious का हिंदी में मतलब होता है बुद्धिमान. Sagacious. With the example we see, महात्मा गांधी was an sagacious person. मतलब महात्मा गांधी एक बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति थे. Second word is obsequious, excessively urge to please. Obsequious means something. A person who is very aggressive or ready to fight, will झगड़ालू. Pugnacious same urge to argue or fight. A person who is very aggressive and ready to fight every night, same as the obsequious. Second is stoic, enduring pain without complaint. अब कोई भी व्यक्ति जो बिना किसी फीलिंग के किसी भी हार्ड सिचुएशन में कोई अपनी फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस नहीं करता, वो कंप्लेन नहीं करता उस चीज़ की कि ऐसे हुआ, तो उस पर्सन को हम स्टोइक कहेंगे. लास्ट इज zealous, enthusiastic, fervent. A person who shows enthusiasm and is full of energy. zealous का हिंदी में मतलब होता है उत्साही. So this was the first. The second is third. That was the first. This is the second one. Word for situation and environment. So the first word is pristine, pure and uncorrupted. Something is very pure, fresh and is untouched. Pure. मगर And second is urban, relating to a city or town, मतलब शहरी. Arid, dry, lacking moisture. कोई सी भी जगह जहाँ पे बहुत सूखा होता है, सूखा. Arid means सूखा. उस प्लेस को हम कह सकते हैं arid place. This is convoluted, intricate or complex. Something is very complex. Something is in very complex level. That could be termed as convoluted or उलझा हुआ. The Hindi meaning of convoluted is उलझा हुआ. And the last is serene, calm and peaceful. Someone who is very calm or peaceful, we can term those person as serene. मतलब शांत. Serene means शांत. And the last is word for concept and emotions. Word for concept and emotions. So the very first word is ephemeral, lasting for a very short time. Anything which is lasting for a very short time. ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ जो बहुत थोड़े समय के लिए हो, उसे हम कहेंगे ephemeral. And second is paradigm, a typical example of pattern. A typical example of paradigm, anything, a example or a pattern which shows how things usually work. ऐसी कोई सोचने का तरीका। पैराडिगम का हिंदी में मतलब होता है सोचने का तरीका। एंड द थर्ड इज ऑप्टिक्यूलस, प्रेजेंट, फाउंड एवरीवेयर। कोई सी भी चीज़ जो हर जगह पाई जाए उसे हम कहेंगे ऑप्टिक्यूल। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मोबाइल फ़ोन हमें हर जगह दिखते हैं, तो वो हो गए, वो ऑप्टिक्यूल्स हो गए। और एक और एग्जांपल, अ ट्री इज फाउंड एवरीवेयर, सो इट कुड बी टर्म्ड एज ऑप्टिक्यूल्स। एंड सेकंड एंड द अदर इज बेनेवोलेंट, वेल मीनिंग एंड काइंडली। बेनेवोलेंट का हिंदी में मतलब होता है benevolent is someone who is well-meaning and very kind. Other word is cacophony, a harsh, discordant mixture of sound. Cacophony cacophony is used for those sound which is a mixture of lots of noise. इसका हिंदी में मतलब है कि ऐसा कोई सी भी साउंड जो बेसुरा शोर, वी कैन ऑल्सो से बेसुरा शोर। कैकोफोनी का हिंदी में मतलब होता है बेसुरा शोर। वी कैन से दिस टू द ट्रैफिक साउंड ऑल्सो। ट्रैफिक साउंड इज टू कैकोफोनी। एंड द अदर इज एजोटेरिक, इंटेंट फॉर अ स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ पीपल विद स्पेशलाइज्ड नॉलेज। ऐसा ज्ञान जो सिर्फ कुछ लोग ही समझ पाए। Those knowledge which are understood by only a small group of people are those knowledge are called esoteric. And the other is aleathora. An excessive amount of something. पैलेथोरा का हिंदी में मतलब होता है अधिकता। Excessive amount of something. Veracity, conformity to facts and accuracy. Veracity. Something is very conformity to facts and accuracy is called veracity. These were the 20 vocabulary sentence. It will help you to elevate your English.